So, you're ready to create your first product recommendation quiz. The most successful quizzes have two things in common. They are short and they are informative. You don't need a long questionnaire to turn visitors into customers. Let's say that you run a cosmetics shop and have a selection of cleansers for different types of skin. Let's build a short quiz to help your customer choose the best cleanser for them. Let's add a new quiz. This is where you'll create your quiz. Click on the plus sign and choose a question type. You can edit the question and you'll see how it looks in the preview. To change question settings, click on a little wrench icon. Here, you can change things like adding a description or an image. To make the quiz more personal, you can add a name question and recall the answer in other parts of the quiz using information recalls. To select the best cleanser, you may want to know the client's age, skin type, and the environment they live in. Multiple choice questions may be the best way to find out this information. Let's ask about a skin type. Finally, we should find out about the environment they live in. To make the quiz more interesting, we'll use a picture question here. Don't forget to add an email question. That's how you'll collect valuable leads for your marketing campaigns. In the question settings, you can make this one optional. Once you have all your questions, you can move them around, like this. Make sure to keep the quiz short. Customers typically drop out after question 8, and almost nobody gets to question 12. There's power in simplicity. Now, let's make the quiz pretty. You can change the look of your quiz in the Design tab. In the Theme gallery, you'll see some pre-made themes that you can choose from. Or you can create your own design by clicking Edit. To make the quiz match the store's style, let's edit the font. Change the background color. Remove or add a background image. And change the color of the buttons and choices. You can even add custom CSS code to make the quiz unique. All the changes you make will be saved automatically. Once you're done, you can change the name of your theme and it will be saved in the Theme gallery. You'll be able to apply it to other quizzes that you create. Once you're happy with the design, you can add products to each question. It is a very important step. Our success checklist will remind you if there are no products associated with the answers. To add a product, go to the Link Products tab and click on the blank space after the answer. Your synced products will appear as a list. Scroll down to select items or just start typing the name. Multiple products can be assigned to the same answer. Product recommendation quiz works like a voting system. Products are linked to each choice. When a customer picks that choice, all linked products receive one vote. After the customer takes the quiz, the results page will show the products sorted by the number of votes. If there is a draw in the number of votes, the app will randomize the products. Make sure to link products to each question and choice in the quiz. You can test different answering routes and results by clicking on the Preview Quiz button in the top right corner. Speaking of results, be sure to also edit the results page. Just like in the Quiz Builder, you can add multiple sections to your results page. Click on a plus sign to select a block type. In content blocks, you can write insightful information about the product recommended. With an image block, you can add your brand's logo. In the Products block, you can select how many products will be recommended. You can use the Markdown language to make your quiz pop. Markdowns allow you to add boldness or emphasis to your text, but also insert links, images, and videos. For more information about the Markdown language, check our Frequently Asked Questions section. The results page settings allow you to further customize the quiz with a background image. Once your quiz is set up, hit the Publish button in the top right-hand corner to see all of the publishing options. For example, you can embed a link to the quiz in your website's menu. Adjust the quiz's width and height and generate a code. In your website's menu, you can add a new section and paste the code. Voila! You've just created your first product recommendation quiz. Check out our FAQ section for more resources on getting started with recommendation quizzes.